Hello everyone, my name's Gary, this is Small Scale Big Dreams, and today we're going to continue talking about 9F and the work we've been doing on her. Roll the intro. Hi everybody, welcome back to our workshop. A couple of updates on the 9F. So we are now moving towards having her boiler test done, her annual steam test. So I've taken her to the club for this. One of the steam testers I'm all booked in for next weekend. So late March, it'll be early April time when it gets done. The engine is all back together, and I'll take you around and show you what we've been doing sort of recently. She's essentially now back together, complete. I've done a bench test here on the rolling road in the workshop, and I've got some footage for that for you now. A couple of other things we've got to sort out. Had a couple of issues with the way shaft, and again, I'll walk you around these after the bench test. One of the lubricators also had a bit of an issue at the same time. So we'll go into some bench test, steam test now, see what you think to how the engine's running. Please comment below if you've got any comments. And then I'll talk you around a couple of bits and pieces I've done extra since that test, just to sort of correct a few things, and a couple of issues I've found, just as you do with these sort of things. Cool, so let's go to the test on the bench, live steam, see what you think. Speak to you in a sec. Right, here we go. Let's just have a take a look at this. So we've done the bench test in Steam. I'm really pleased with it. I think on the last video I put some air test footage out as well. So we've done all that testing on the bench now. I've put everything back together. I've come across a couple of issues just as I was working through things. So here's the waste shaft here. This is what moves all these linkages around, and this is what changes just from reverse into forward gear. You see that there? Essentially, it slipped. There's a bar that runs straight through here, goes to the other side of the engine, and it slipped. I had rebuilt this all middle of last year before getting on with the valves and things, but I decided, right, that was it. And what I've done, took it all apart. I've set this on my flat plate, and then I milled through, drill and tapped, I think it was 4BA, into the back of here, which had been done on the other side. It was really blooming awkward, but we managed to set it up now. Anyway, I've had a fair bit of trial and error with it, and everything seems to be okay. The other slight snag I've had was with the lubricators again, surprise, surprise. In here, there's a nipple compartment that sits between this nut and this 90-degree angle that you can't quite see. And essentially it's split. So I had to strip all apart. I tried to order a new nipple, but I didn't get hold of anybody. So I machined a new one, and now that all seems to be okay. So despite everything I've done over the last 12 months, there's always little bits and pieces that do crop up. But so yeah, so now basically she's ready for a steam test. Right, so here she is in all her fine glory. So everything back together. We're now basically waiting for the steam test. I've been getting all my bits and pieces sorted out. I've had to change the water for the pump I use to fill the boiler up with. Put all my tools back together. And there we are. So that's hopefully back together. Everything worked okay on the bench test. What we required for the steam test, so you need 2 ways of putting water in the boiler. Well, this one's got 4. Both safety valves need to lift at the right time, set on the gauge, that kind of thing. So not expecting any issues. The main thing then is, once that's passed, which hopefully should all be fine, is some light running in just to make sure all the motion's doing what it should be doing, make sure the lubricators are lubricating. As I say, I had that slight problem with this one here where part of the internal split, and I had to make another one. And then basically, yeah, ready for the season. So we are late March, early April for the steam test and light running in. I'll get some footage of that if I can. Hopefully that all goes well and she can stay together, ready for the season. Sort of channel update and manor update. So the manor is now, I'm back on with it. I've just started fettling up some rods, the inside motion, which I've got to complete. Got a few issues to come across with that, but I'll save all that for its own episode. Big thank you to everybody who's watched and subscribed recently. We're not quite at 1,000 yet. It'd be great to breach that. I'll keep working on getting some more cadence up, because obviously I appreciate sometimes it's sort of feast and famine with this. I haven't really got settled into a routine with getting the videos up. I also understand that, having watched the previous long video I did with the air test at the end, some of the sound seems to have gone wrong. So I'm going to edit that again and re-upload it, because I speak over myself, and that didn't really work. But it should be fixable. There you go. So yeah, no, thank you very much for everyone for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care.